21 cancer-causing foods proven to kill you. Avoid these cancer foods. Cancer remains the leading cause of death worldwide, and recent research has shed light on the role of diet in cancer development. Some foods, even those popular and commonly consumed, may contribute to this risk. Before we start our list, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Here's an extended look at the cancer-causing foods we should be wary of. Number 1. Refined sugar. Refined sugar, often labeled as poison, lacks nutritional value and can deplete the body of essential nutrients. Its high glycemic index can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels, conditions which have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Studies suggest that sugar not only fuels the body but may also fuel tumor growth, as cancer cells consume more sugar than normal cells for their rapid growth. Number 2. Soda pop. Soda pop, with its refreshing taste, is loaded with sugars, artificial colors, and chemicals. These ingredients can create an acidic environment conducive to cancer cell growth. Fructose, a type of sugar found in many sodas, has been specifically linked to pancreatic cancer in some studies. Additionally, the caramel coloring used in many sodas contains 4-methylimidazole, a compound that has shown potential carcinogenic properties. Number 3. Processed meats. Processed meats, including bacon, ham, sausages, and hot dogs, are classified as carcinogens by the World Health Organization. They contain chemicals and preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can form cancer-causing compounds. Epidemiological studies have shown a consistent link between processed meat consumption and colorectal cancer. Number 4. Red meat. Red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, has been classified by the WHO as a probable carcinogen. Studies have shown an association between red meat consumption and increased risks of colorectal, prostate, and pancreatic cancers. Cooking meats at high temperatures can also produce heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are potential carcinogens. Number 5. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn bags are often lined with perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a substance that can be carcinogenic. Additionally, diacetyl, used in artificial butter flavoring, has been linked to lung disease. The healthiest option is to pop organic kernels in a stovetop popper or air popper. Number 6. Dirty fruits. The term dirty dozen refers to fruits with high levels of pesticide residue. Pesticides used on crops such as apples, peaches, grapes, and strawberries have been linked to various health issues, including cancer. Organic or homegrown fruits are safer alternatives. Number 7. Potato chips. Potato chips, when cooked at high temperatures, produce acrylamide, a substance found in plastics and cigarette smoke and classified as a probable human carcinogen. Studies have linked acrylamide exposure to several types of cancer in rodents, though the implications for humans are less clear. Number 8. French fries. Similar to potato chips, French fries contain acrylamide, especially when fried at high temperatures. The combination of acrylamide and the potential pesticide residue on potatoes adds to the health risks. Number 9. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon, often crowded and overfed in aquaculture settings, can contain various chemicals and antibiotics. These fish are also frequently dyed to appear more appealing. Wild-caught salmon is a healthier alternative, being lower in contaminants and higher in beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Number 10. Canned tomatoes. The inner lining of many canned foods, including tomatoes, contains bisphenol A, BPA, which can leach into the food, especially in acidic environments. BPA exposure has been linked to several health issues, including cancer risk. Opting for fresh or glass-jarred tomatoes can reduce exposure. Number 11. Hydrogenated oils. Used to enhance the shelf life of processed foods, hydrogenated oils contain trans fats, which have been linked to an increased risk of various health issues, including cancer. These oils can alter cell membrane structure and function, potentially leading to cancerous changes. Number 12. White flour. white, or refined, flour undergoes a bleaching process using chlorine gas, potentially leaving harmful residues. Its high glycemic index can spike blood sugar levels, and some studies suggest a link between high glycemic index diets and increased cancer risk. Number 13. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for various cancers, including liver, breast, and colorectal cancers. The International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies alcohol as a carcinogen. The risk is particularly pronounced with heavy and regular consumption. Number 14. Pickles and other salted foods. Pickles and salted foods are high in sodium and often contain preservatives. Excessive salt intake has been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. A study in Turkey found that gastric cancer patients consumed more pickles than cancer-free individuals. Number 15. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. There's ongoing debate about the safety of GMOs. Some animal studies have suggested a link between GMO consumption and increased cancer risk, but these results have not been conclusively replicated in humans. More research is needed to fully understand the health impacts of GMOs. Number 16. Artificial sweeteners. Studies on artificial sweeteners like saccharin and aspartame have shown mixed results. Some animal studies have suggested a link to cancer, but these findings have not been consistently observed in human studies. The debate continues about the safety of these substances. Number 17. Diet products. Diet products, including low-fat and diet sodas, often contain artificial flavors and colors, which may be linked to cancer. Some of these chemicals have been associated with health risks, although the evidence is not conclusive. Number 18. High-fat foods. High-fat diets can lead to obesity, which is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and pancreatic cancers. However, the direct link between dietary fat and cancer is still under investigation. Number 19. Animal-based foods. Non-organic animal products may contain hormones and antibiotics that can contribute to cancer risk. Several studies suggest that a plant-based diet might reduce the risk of cancer. Number 20. Smoked meat. Smoked meats contain harmful tar, a known carcinogen. They are also high in sodium and may be linked to an increased risk of bowel cancer. The smoking process can produce carcinogenic compounds. Number 21. Dairy products. The relationship between dairy products and cancer is complex. Some studies suggest a potential link to ovarian, prostate, and breast cancers, while others indicate protective effects against certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer due to their calcium content. In summary, while the links between diet and cancer are complex and not fully understood, it's prudent to be aware of these potential risks. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and low in processed and high-fat foods, is generally recommended for optimal health and cancer prevention. As always, it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized dietary advice.